Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use probiotics for your chickens, an easy method to boost their overall health. Probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that support a healthy digestive system in your flock. They work by introducing good bacteria, which can significantly improve nutrient absorption and strengthen their natural defenses. This simple addition to their routine can lead to healthier, more productive birds, ensuring they thrive and lay strong eggs. When selecting a probiotic, it's crucial to choose one designed specifically for poultry. These formulations contain the right strains of beneficial bacteria that are most effective for chickens. Many come in a convenient powdered form, making them simple to administer. Always check the label for a variety of bacterial strains, as a diverse blend offers more comprehensive gut support for your birds. Proper storage, like keeping it in a cool, dry place, ensures the live cultures remain potent. Applying probiotics to your flock is straightforward. The easiest method is to mix the powdered form directly into their drinking water. For example, you might add 1/4 teaspoon per gallon of water. Another simple way is to sprinkle the recommended amount over their daily feed, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Always make sure to mix it thoroughly so every bird gets its share. Remember to keep waterers and feeders clean to maintain the probiotics' effectiveness and prevent any unwanted bacterial growth. For best results, always adhere to the specific dosage instructions provided by the probiotic manufacturer. A common guideline for general maintenance is to administer probiotics 2 to 3 times per week. During periods of stress, like when introducing new birds or after a health challenge, you can increase the frequency to daily for about 5 to 7 days. For instance, a typical dose might be 1/2 teaspoon per 5 pounds of feed, or 1/4 teaspoon per gallon of water. Consistency is key for long-term gut health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.